Good morning, student. Today we'll start our next part of differential equation, that is solving differential equations. In board from the differential equations, two questions are coming. Two questions of 8 marks generally coming, or one question 6 marks, another 2 marks, and both are from method of solving differential equation. Previously you have three methods of solving differential equation, that is, one is variable separable, second is linear, third one is homogeneous. But right now the linear is excluded from your portion, so only two methods are left, that is solving by variable separable and solving by homogeneous equation. So two method, two questions, so it will be more easier for you. Now see, we are doing now differential equation with variable separable. We are going to solve means from differential equation to the general equation or particular equation. That is called solving. By how will solve? By integrating. Okay, so if the differential equation in the form of dy by dx hy gx means function of y and function of x, then we'll separate dy and function of y one side and gx and dx and function of x another side, then we'll integrate like I have given. Okay, next, so let us solve some question. Exercise 9.4, question number 1. dy by dx given this one. Okay, so dy will be, there is no function of y, so I am doing dy is one side and rest function of y and dx another side. Now how to solve, that method we should know earlier. Okay, that is how to integrate. Solving means integrate. So naturally we know this one, 2 sin square x by 2, 2 cos square x by 2, tan square x by 2. We cannot integrate tan square x by 2. We have to change into sec square x by 2 minus 1. Then you have to go for integration. Sec square x by 2 will be tan x by 2 divided by half. Coefficient you have to divide. That half became 2 here minus x plus c. This way we can solve. See some more question. Question number 4. Question number 4 also variable separable. We not understand what we will do. Whatever equation given, whether it is homogeneous or variable separable, we cannot understand in the exam. So we will find first dy by dx. We may find out dy by dx, rest term will be another side. Then we can see whether we can separate y and function of y on one side and dx and function of x another side. So likely I have done here. This one came after simplification. Then this 2 sin y cos y multiplying by 2, it became sin 2y, and now we have separated dy and dx, so it will be cosec dy, then cosec will be log cosec x plus cot x. That way I have done. Then we go for the simplification and finally we get the answer. Okay, this all we are doing, that are the general equation. Different value, c is constant. Why general equation? C is constant. For different values of c we get different equations, so it is called general equation. Now question number 11, there will find the value of c by giving the values of x, y, and that value of c will get for that particular equation, so it is called particular equation. So C11 number. This is the differential equation where I have solved it, factorize it, then solve it. Okay, now separating dy and dx. Now this one we have to integrate by partial fraction. We must know how to integrate this. Here we will not learn how to integrate. Here you learn how to separate them, how to understand, how to recognize them, which form it is. Okay, then we'll go for as it is. I am not going to this method. You will first do it, then you can understand. a by this, bx by this, then by doing constant values are came, and then after getting the value we get the final equation of the differential equation. Now from the given value, this is given in the question, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, we will find the value of c. I am putting x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1 in this equation. If 1, 1, 1, 1, log 1, 0, tan inverse 1, 0, so only c is equal to 1 came, then finally we get the particular equation. Okay, so next I am what problem of differential equation. What problem of differential equation is not in the portion, but that is very interesting, means real application of differential equation. Okay, so this is the real application, so that I am showing one in this is interesting also. Okay, one question I am doing, question number 17. Okay, here you have to form the equation from the given situations and then you have to solve it. Okay, that is called real applications. Okay, I am doing question number 17. 17 is find the equation of a car passing through the point 0, -2, given that at any point xy on the car the product of the slope and its tangents, means dy by dx, and y coordinate is equal to x coordinate of that point. Means what is given, y into dy by dx is equal to x, and the curve is passing through this point, means this point is given for finding the value of c. So we will go for variable separable, then we solve it. Now we will find the value of c from the given situation. Then c came 2, finally this is came, and final equation coming this. Okay, so you complete this. Next class we will start that homogeneous equation. Thank you.